Rhode Island Mobile Device Repair. At Cellular Mobile Service, we are proud to be Rhode Island's top company to offer mobile device repair. When it comes to repairing your cell phone, tablet, iWatch, we use only the highest quality parts that are backed by the industry's best warranty, and most standard mobile device repair can be done while you wait. Our professional technicians are highly trained to perform even the most critical repairs. Most repairs are done on-site to offer customers the highest convenience possible, since you already have to take time out of your day to have your mobile device repaired in the first place. For more about our services, visit one of our locations near you. Cellular Mobile Services, your one-stop shop for all mobile devices.